kahit na ito na yung final answer, there are teachers na medyo mas mahigpit sa pag-represent ng final answer. Pero, there are teachers na acceptable na naman to as final answer. Pero, so let me discuss this para in preparation na rin for our next sample problem. So, we will be recalling some concepts ng algebra natin. As we go on, this is already the final answer ha. So, we are just representing it sa ibang paraan. So, you have here x raised to negative 1/2 plus 8 over 3 x raised to negative 1/3. The concept of negative exponent is we have a raised to negative n. Ang nangyayari lang is yung negative exponent natin, pag tinanggal natin to dito, so this is a raised to n, dahil naka-negative exponent siya, kukuhanin natin yung reciprocal niya. Let us do it para mas makita natin. Looking at x raised to negative 1/2, this is x raised to negative 1/2. For this case, tanggalin muna natin si negative exponent, x raised to 1/2, and then, this is, wala naman siyang denominator, so this is over 1. Since negative exponent siya, ang gagawin natin, let us get the reciprocal, pagpalitin si numerator at si denominator. This will become 1 over x raised to 1/2. Here naman, this is x raised to negative 1/3. Pero, ingat tayo. Kasi ang naka-raise sa negative exponent is just si x. Si 8 over 3, retain dyan. So, ang gagalawin lang natin ay si x raised to negative 1/3. So, ang mangyayari, this is x raised to negative 1/3. Disregard muna natin si negative. This is x raised to 1/3. And then, since, let me rewrite that, x raised to 1 over 3. This is over 1. Wala naman siyang denominator. Since meron tayo negative exponent, same thing, let us interchange the numerator and the denominator. Let us get the reciprocal. That is 1 over x raised to 1/3. Again, ang naka-raise lang sa negative exponent ay si x. So, hindi magagalaw si 8 over 3. And then, as we multiply, eto, to simplify, this is 8 times 1 is 8. 3, minultiply lang natin kay x raised to 1/3. Dito wala na tayong ginawa. And then next, this can still be simplified. Another concept is about fractional exponents and radicals. We have a raised to m over n is equal to a raised to m, the nth root of a raised to m. So, ano nangyari? So, kapag meron akong certain variable na naka-raise sa fractional exponent, m over n, ang mangyayari, pwede ko siyang i-transform from exponential to radical form. Ang nangyayari, si a, si m natin, siya yung magiging exponent ni a. So, this is a raised to m. Tapos, yung denominator, siya yung root ng ating radical. To do that here, para mas makita natin, x, ang exponent niya is just 1. So, this is x raised to 1, tapos ang root niya ay 2. This is x raised to 1, tapos kunin natin yung root, that is just 2. So, that is simply the square root. It will look like this. Itong part na to, kaya natin simplify this way. And then, for this one, ang naka-raise lang sa 1/3 ay si x. X, this is x raised to 1, x raised to 1, and then, this is the root, the denominator is 3, kaya this is the cube root of x raised to 1 or cube root of x. This part ay nasimplify natin into this manner. This is another way to represent your answer in radical form. Kapag medyo strict yung teacher, I for one ay pagka nasa exponential form, pinapabago ko to its radical form so that my students can practice yung pagbabago nung forms nung final answer nila. Para pagkadating sa mga future example, future problems, is they are able to recall and use interchangeably yung radical form nung exponent, radical form and the exponential form nung mga variables natin. So that's it for our extra explanation and recall that na pwede nating magamit for our next problems.